Hey, this is the coding time. Today we are going to try to complete a challenge on HackerRank with the topic of Drawing Book. Let's first read the problem statement. A teacher asks the class to open their book to a page number. A student can either start turning page from the front of the book or from the back of the book. They always turn page 1 at a time. When they open the book, page 1 is always on the right side. When they flip page 1, they see page 2 and 3. Each page except the last page will always be printed on the both sides. The last page may only be printed on the front, given the length of the book. If the book is n page long and a student want to turn to page B, what is the minimum number of page to turn? They can start at the beginning or the end of the book. For example, using the diagram above, if the student want to get to page 3, they open the book to page 1, flip one page, and they are on the correct page. If they open the book to the last page, page 5, they turn one page and are on the correct page. Okay, let's implement this into coding. We will use the Java programming language. Here's the code provided by HackerRank. And we just need to complete this page count function. Total of turning variable is obtained by dividing n by 2. Turn from front variable is obtained by dividing p by 2. Meanwhile, the turn from back variable is obtained by subtracting the turn from front variable from the total of turning variable. After that, to get the minimum number of pages to turn, we use the math min function. Now, let's test the code we have created. Done. We will submit the code. Will it pass all the test case? Of course it will. See you next time.